Today to all of us, and let's glorify God today. In 1 Thessalonians 5:17 it says, never stop praying. But have you noticed that many people think sometimes prayer can be complicated? Some believe prayers only counts when you are in church. Some believes that it only counts when you kneel and bow down your head. Some also has a routine schedule. They do it during morning prayers, it could be mealtime prayers, or it could be dinner or bedtime prayers. But what did Paul reminded us? Paul said, pray without ceasing. And what does Paul wanted us to do? He wanted us to pray and make it as our lifestyle. Think about your cell phone. Most of us, we cannot go anywhere without it. Even we don't want to make a call. We want to have that cell phone always with us. Stay connected with the network. Get the updates, get the messages, and even alerts. Prayer is the same. It's not only when we want to call on to God, but we want to stay connected with Him all the time. Remember this, prayer is our way of communicating to God. There is no perfect formula for prayer. Even just a whisper, even just a thought, or even just a sigh to God is already a prayer. Our prayer is also our way to connect to Him. Just like your phone is always online, our prayer keeps us spiritually online. As He said in James 4:8, draw near to God and He will draw near to you. So dear brothers and sisters, right now, God is inviting us to change the definition of prayer. Don't just schedule Him, but carry Him with you and stay connected with Him and walk with Him throughout the day. I hope this gives us inspiration and we keep praying without ceasing. Thank you for joining me today, and to God be the glory.